Item bundles. A bundle is a group of items that are sold together as a single unit. Bundle items are often sold at a discounted price compared to the cost of purchasing each item individually. Bundle deals are often used as a marketing strategy to encourage consumers to buy more products, as they can save money by purchasing items in a bundle rather than separately. Bundle items can be physical products, such as a bundle of household cleaning products, or digital products, such as a bundle of software applications. Bundle deals can be found in a variety of industries, including retail, technology, and entertainment. You can create bundle items from items, list of item bundles. Click Add Item Bundle. You can set item bundle code. You can enter bundle description, and you can select items included in that bundle. You can enter quantity, and you can save. Like that, you can create your bundle items. For an example, if you are selling computers, you can add monitor, mouse, keyboard, speakers, like that. You can add items and you can add quantities. If you are selling 2 speakers for one computer, you can enter quantity as 2. After that, you can save. Now in this example, you can see item bundle code, item bundle description, and items and item quantities. If you want to add more items, by clicking this plus mark, you can add more items. And if you want to remove any item, by clicking this red color button, you can remove the items. In addition to that, you can create bundle items. Go to list of items. You can select items, and by clicking create item bundle, you can create bundle item. After you create bundle item, when you enter transactions, you can select bundle items. We will enter customer quotation. If you want to sell bundle item, you need to change the type. You need to select bundle. After that, you can select your bundle item. Now when you select the bundle item, components of that bundle item will display automatically. And if you want to increase number of items, you can increase, then component also will increase. After you create item bundles, you can view the list of item bundles. You can view number of bundles you have created. You can view bundle code, description. From here, you can search your bundle items. You can sort by multi-column. You can export to CSV file. From settings, you can customize this grid. Like that, you can create your item bundles.